So today I will show you how to draw face proportion. So yes, this is the day to teach what is the best way to learn face proportion. So first I do is to find some tutorials about face proportion on YouTube, because of me I am not that good in drawing face proportion. So I need a reference or a guide guys to teach you right way. And now I done watching some part of basic proportion. I will draw as warm up to learn from him of how he did it. So now let's sketch. So I finished the warm up. Now I will teach you the basic. So first I start with a circle and I will cross the center for the ears. He is always equal to the forehead and nose. This line just decided into three parts to be balanced. For the ears, he is always equal to the forehead and nose. And for the neck, make a line that starts from the lower part of the ear and then divide into three parts for the forehead, nose and chin. But later I will explain it to you all, because we're in the basic proportion only. So repeat and repeat this process to practice your freehand skill. Now I search a portrait for my drawing practice. So watch the full video and learn how to draw a portrait with this method. Let's do it. Here is the result guys, and I happy with the result. So we meet in next video. Bye.